Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And now we have two options how to check it. The first one, you can click at the three dots at the right top, or if you have Android you will see four dots here. So click device settings and then device information. And right here we have version, tap at this line, here's software version. And the second option is to return to the main menu. So right here you need to scroll down, click to update, and right here you have your current version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.